How to turn off two-factor authentication in Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, let's simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture or profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the Instagram settings. Once inside the settings and privacy, tap on the account center at the top. Once you tap on the account center, scroll down and tap on the password and security option available there. Now there you can see two-factor authentication option available. Tap on it. Then tap on your profile. Now there tap on the SMS option available at the top. Once you tap on it, simply toggle that switch off. Now here tap on the turn off option available there and confirm by tapping turn off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.